We are Team Bytecraft, and today we are addressing problem statement 25044, AI-powered crop yield prediction and optimization. Imagine you're a farmer in Odisha, preparing for the next sowing season. You wonder, which crop should I grow to get the best yield? How much water and fertilizer will I need? And how will unpredictable weather affect my harvest? These uncertainties affect millions of farmers across India every year. The challenges are plenty: lack of real time data, dependency on traditional practices, inefficient use of fertilizers and irrigation, vulnerability to pests, and climate change making weather highly unpredictable. While government portals and agricultural apps exist, they often fall short. They are not personalized to local soil and weather conditions, they lack integration with IoT sensors, they don't provide actionable guidance, and many farmers find them difficult to use due to complex interfaces and limited language support. This is where Krishi Mart comes in. Our solution is an AI plus IoT powered crop prediction and optimization platform designed to revolutionize modern farming. KrishiMark integrates IoT sensor nodes deployed in farms. These sensors continuously capture soil nutrients NPK, soil pH, moisture, humidity, rainfall, and temperature, providing farmers with accurate, real-time data about their land. We have also integrated weather APIs to fetch dynamic climatic conditions of the farm's region, ensuring predictions remain up to date and location specific. This data is then fed into our machine learning model, trained on open source agricultural datasets. The model predicts which crops can grow best in those exact soil and weather conditions, maximizing productivity. Alongside prediction, KrishiMark provides tailored recommendations for irrigation, fertilization, and pest management. We have also introduced a multilingual interface to break language barriers. Farmers can interact with the platform in their native language, ensuring accessibility across diverse regions of India. KrishiMark is more than just a crop predictor. It's a digital farming companion, empowering farmers with knowledge, boosting productivity by at least 10%, and helping them make smarter data-driven decisions. No more guesswork. KrishiMark is available round the clock, offering farmers real-time insights anytime, anywhere. Our AI system understands and responds to a wide range of queries, from crop suitability and yield predictions to fertilizer dosage and irrigation schedules. Farmers can interact with KrishiMark in Hindi, Odia, English, and more, ensuring inclusivity and ease of adoption across the country. As a web-based platform, KrishiMark adapts seamlessly to both smartphones and computers. Whether a farmer is in the field with a mobile device or at a community center using a desktop, the experience remains consistent, user-friendly, and reliable. Through the integration of IoT sensors, data collection is fully automated. The farmer simply needs to check the app to see actionable recommendations generated by AI. This way, KrishiMark not only predicts the best crops to cultivate, but also provides ongoing guidance throughout the crop cycle, reducing risks and improving profitability. Let us look into what our system can do now. By eliminating uncertainty, enabling smarter farming, and providing multilingual personalized insights, KrishiMark empowers farmers to grow more with fewer resources. We, Team Bytecraft, are confident that KrishiMark can significantly transform agriculture in India, enhancing crop yields, improving farmer income, and making farming more resilient against climate change. Thank you for joining us. We welcome your questions and feedback. Let's build a smarter, more sustainable, and farmer friendly future together with KrishiMark. Thank you.